Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Today Nifty ended 41 point less. Basically IT stock dragged the Nifty today. It started a bit steady and reached the top of the day 25407 around 1245. Then from the UK market open, it drastically fall and hit the day low of 25307, and then gradually some 77 rupees up and ended 25377. So we'll see the IT stock how they performed. Market sentiment today, it's still bullish, but 43%. Yesterday it was more than 51. So there's a bearish sign coming up in the long term. FII and DIA both in the buyer side, 1153 buy from FII and DIA 152. So that's the FII DIA data. So IT stock see the profit booking ahead of the FOMC, that is the Federal meeting decision, and Nifty IT dips 3%. As well, there is another factor. Because of Accenture 5% drop in share price on September 17, on the news that the company will delay the promotion by 6 months due to a challenging consultancy environment. So it's a global challenge environment, Accenture being the leader of the consultancy service. So that impacted entire Nifty stocks. So these are the Nifty IT, Tech Mahindra 2% down, 3% down, Infi 3.09, CNX IT overall is 3% down, Wipro 2.49, HCL Tech 3.16, TCS major laggard, one of them 3.54, Emphasis 5% down, 5.5, and Oracle, which was kind of performed pretty well, it dragged the market and it went down almost 9% today in the market. So let's start with the good news. Chandrayaan 4, India's mission to the moon and return with lunar soil, gets cabinet approval. That's the news coming up. So let's see which other stock may get impact due to this news. So what I found, these are the companies are basically related to the space technology, and it should be in your watch list or radar for future growth. Apollo Microsystem, Bharat Electronics, this is well-known company. Data Patterns, very much well-known. Dreamfolk Service Limited, HL, Hindustan Aeronautics, as well as we have MTA Technology, DCS System. We have covered some order came up in yesterday or day before yesterday's video. Bharat Dynamics, BDL, and Client DLM Limited. So these are the stock should be get benefit from this news of Chandrayaan 4. So keep it in your watch list. News from REC Limited, the PSU company, Maharatna. The news actually came yesterday, late night after market. So it is about an MOU, and details suggest that REC participated in the event and engaging business decision with several key stakeholders and leading RE developer. So at the Reinvest 2024, where we spoke about Torrent Power as well, with 60,000 crore rupees of investment, here REC has signed an MOU, non-binding MOU with RE developers, aggregating about 1.12 lakh crore, which will be implemented over a period of 5 years. So it's a long-term goal, and as we see, increase the renewable from current 8% to 30% by 2030, and REC loan book is projected to be 10 lakh crore by 2030. So long-term goal, and it should be in your long-term portfolio, REC. Next news from Garden Ridge Shipbuilding Units Limited, another government of India Ministry of Defence, and it says that GRSE backs an order of construction and delivery of additional 4 multi-purpose vessels of 7500 DWT each. Construction delivery of additional 4 multi-purpose vessel. International entry 33 months from the date of signing contracts, and additional approx 54 million USD for further 4 vessels. So it means the total value approximate 108 million for 8 vessels. 4 already came in past. Now you're talking about another 4. Total 108 million USD dollar of order. Next news from Ion Exchange, and the news is about an order of 161.19 crore for process and utility required for 2 into 800 megawatt unit for Raipur and Raigarh Ultra Super Power project. The completion period is 18 months from the award date. So that's the project from Ion Exchange, and it BLKASHYap, the engineering company, it got an order, and this order is about 221 crore approx, 20 months of period. And name of the order for civil, structural and allied work at Koramangala, Bangalore. Name of the entity from where the order came is SSS Realty and Company, concrete and block work package. So that's the order BLKASHYap received, and it should be in your watch list. Heritage Food, they are actually got the approval for setting up a new ice cream facility in Samirpet. So with this progress, Heritage Food should get more revenue, and it says the facility is expected to be commissioned by November 2025, so another year, and will involve a capital investment of approx 204 crores. That's the investment we are talking about. That's a good approach and good news from Heritage Food. TATA Power, next news, and it says the TATA Power Renewable Energy Limited secured 400 megawatt hybrid project from MESEDCL, power to be supplied to fulfill the renewable purchase obligation, expected to reduce carbon emission approx 489 million kg of CO2, and it is getting into the mark the Tata Power the largest renewable energy project in state of Maharashtra till the date. That's a big achievement from Tata Power, and it should be in your radar. NAZARA Technology, the gaming platform, the press release suggests that NAZARA Technology raised 900 crore rupees and increased the stake in Absolute Sport, the sports Kira, by 91%. So that's the expansion we are talking about in NAZARA, and this stock should be in your radar. Next, another news from Tata Group. This time it is TCS. TCS performed pretty bad today in the market, but this news is a positive momentum that TCS signs a deal with McDonald Philippines to modernize the IT landscape for all 760 plus restaurants across Philippines. So last news coming from HONASA, the consumer goods. And HONASA, the Mamaearth brand, is strengthened the offline presence through distribution in CSD Channel under Ministry of Defense nationwide. So it's a great news and great expansion news from HONASA. The CSD is the shop which normally operates within the defense colony and defense area. There, Mamaearth is getting entry to sell their product. Today's stock, one stock one day, it's Interglobe Aviation, Indigo. So let's see the details about the company first. So Interglobe Aviation, named as Indigo, is the India's largest passenger airline operating as low-cost carrier, serving 86 destinations, including 24 international destinations. It provides the passenger with simple, unbundled product, fulfilling its singular brand promise that low fare, on-time flight, and courteous and hassle-free service. So that's the mantra of Indigo. It's market leader, no doubt about it. As of FY24, Indigo has market share of 62% in the Indian aviation segment, with the share growing consistently since 2007. It has a market share of 18% in the international passenger segment. So key figure, market cap 1,90,313 crore. Our stock P 24.4, industry P is the same because it is almost replicating the market altogether. EPS last year is 212 and current year is 202. Intrinsic value is 635 and current price of this particular stock is 4925. So there is a huge multiple from intrinsic value and current price. Peer comparison, Interglobe, SpiceJet, Tal Enterprise, the private sector, Jet Airways is no more in the picture. So Interglobe 4924 CMP, Spice is 69, market cap 1,90,000. Here we are talking about 5,400. So no match in the market cap. It itself says that Interglobe is ruling the market. And other factors, there is no other comparison needed. CF, the cash flow operation is pretty good, 21,182 crore, and debt to equity is 26.54. So this airline industry was the biggest hit during COVID, that we can see that from 2019 profit 156 to suddenly it gone down to minus 248, and biggest fall here 5,830 crore loss in 2021. And 2022 it got expanded to 6,171, but there is a huge bounce back from 2023. From 6,000 minus it became only 300 minus, and March 2024 make the momentum to 8,167 crore, and now currently it is trading in 7,800. So pretty good recovery in this market for this market leader in the airlines market. Talking about shareholding pattern, promoters have reduced their stake starting 2021. Now it is gone down from 74 to 55. So there is a promoter is getting out from it. FII has increased. Actually, it increased from 1851, then 20, and now you're talking about 24, almost 24.5. DII, they also increased the stake. 4.62% in 2021. Now it became 15.36. Even in last year, by this time, it was 13. Now it is 15. So government also involved here now, marginally 0.07%, and public interest also we can see in the growing up. So all good on the shareholding pattern apart from the promoter contribution. Let's see the technical chart. So this is a monthly chart of Indigo. It initiated November 15, 2015. So it's a 9 years old company in the stock market aspect. And here is the 2020 COVID down, and it hit 774. Now it is trading in 5,000, almost 5,000. So it's in the upward momentum, no doubt. And immediate target can be 5,181, and gradually it gone up and hit 5,500. So potential is good. Market leader. Whenever there is a downfall, it will be a good opportunity to accumulate the stock. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.